Good morning, children. Let's once again come to talk about transitive and intransitive verbs. Children, here in worksheet 10, you are given a topic. Topic, I mean the part of the topic object complement. Complement means something which adds to something else, to former one. And object, you know it very well, anything, any article, any object. And this object stands for noun, noun phrase and noun clause. Now what is given here in this worksheet you have to understand. In the unit achievers of My English Reader, you have read Hilary Bates launched a greeting card business named My Mind's Eyes. Next, My Mind's Eyes has earned Hilary an achievement award from the Business and Professional Women's Association. Next, a computer program called Equalizer allowed Stephen Hawking to communicate better. Read the above sentences again and find whether the underlined verbs are transitive or intransitive. If the verbs are transitive, encircle the object. Also find out words in the above sentences that tell you more about the objects. Now what you have to remember here, you see, words which give additional information about the object are called object complements. Example, she uses her computer to create and package cards. Here the words given in bold letters give us more information about the object computer. Now come to worksheet 11. Look at the given pictures and complete the sentences. I saw him waiting for the bus. Waiting for the bus is to be filled up here. Now look at next. I found a coin. I found a coin lying on the ground, on the field, on the road. You can make this type of any answer. The jury declared him innocent. The jury declared him not involved in the case. The jury declared him not to be one of the criminals. This is how you can fill up many sorts of expressions in the blank. Now 4 number, he painted the house red. He painted the house red in color. He painted the house red very beautifully. In this manner you can fill up. We found the prices very reasonable after the discount. We found the prices quite fitting after the discount. This is how you can fill up here. People elected him an MP. People elected him a member of parliament to work for them. This is how you have to fill up. 7 number, she gave her book to the man. She gave her book to the man sitting beside her. Or she gave her book to the man sitting on the chair. 8 number, the principal made her honored by providing her the best boy of the year. The principal made her renowned by letting her do the best. This is how you have to fill up. Exercise has made him strong and sturdy. exercise has made him well practiced and exhilarating. This is how you have to fill up. Now 10th number. We saw a lady reading a book on the bench, but this is railway station, it's better if you use it. We saw a lady reading at the platform, on the platform, as you like. Now children, answer key is also given here. Worksheet 11. Waiting for the bus, lying on the ground, innocent, read, reasonable, MP, sitting beside her, honored, strong and sturdy, sitting on a bench, etc. So this is how you have to answer these questions. You have to fill in the given blanks. It's all right, thank you. Let's wait for our class, most probably next day, and then we will discuss many of the things together.